Did you know burping is actually good for your body? When you eat or drink, you accidentally swallow tiny amounts of air. That air gets trapped inside your stomach and can make you feel bloated, full, or uncomfortable. Burping helps release that extra air, making your stomach feel better. Burping can reduce bloating, relieve stomach pressure, make you feel more comfortable after eating, help your digestive system stay balanced. That's why people often burp after drinking fizzy drinks like soda. The bubbles create extra gas in the stomach. Fun fact, the average person burps around 10 to 20 times a day. So next time you burp, don't worry. It's your body's clever way of saying, extra air removed successfully. Subscribe to Super Simple Science Stories for more amazing science facts.